We all want cleaner air for ourselves and our children. And the BC Scrap It program is doing something about it.
The Scrap It program is a program that allows you to recycle your car and obtain credit towards a new car or a bus pass or even to purchase a bicycle. We're proud to recycle metals in an environmentally friendly fashion, and we like the fact that Scrap It's removing a lot of emissions from our environment that wouldn't normally get removed without this program.
Hi, I'm Dave Gorley. I'm the Manager of Operations here at AirCare, where we test cars for emissions. We bring cars from the Scrap It Centre to the AirCare testing facility. We connect the sampling system to their exhaust pipe, and then we drive in normal city driving and see what kind of emissions come out. We've got our 1994 here on one hand, 150,000 kilometers. Over here, our 2010 with only 5,000 kilometers. No contest. The 2010, much, much cleaner. How much more emissions? 2,000% more for carbon monoxide and 5,000% more for oxides of nitrogen. So imagine, you'd have to drive this 2010 50 kilometers or about 50 kilometers to make the same emissions you'd make in this 1994 in 1 kilometer.
For a consumer, there's several easy steps to scrap their vehicle. Number one, they just come to our website and apply. Number two, they get a notification from us via email that they've been approved. Once they get their approval, the third step is they drive to the scrapyard, and the fourth step is they come back to our program and make a claim for whichever incentive they want to select.
Once you've gone online and applied for the Scrap It program and you get your approval letter, then you drive right into our office. Once you're there, you're greeted by Sharon, who then checks your car for mercury switches in the trunk and under the hood, and then she tags the engine not for resale. From there, we remove the fluid and the battery, and they get recycled appropriately. From here, the car is taken over to the CETA system, so it's easier to remove all of the gasoline, engine oil, and transmission oil from the car. From there, the car is taken to the next station so we can cut the catalytic converter off and recycle that also. Once this is done, the car is taken to the final step, which is into the car crusher, and then from there they go and get recycled maybe to a new car or a toaster.
To scrap your vehicle, go to scrapit.ca.